Hi, my name is Vernz, and in this video I am going to show you the advantage of having multiple base roots. But before we continue, please click the subscribe and notification bell buttons to stay in the loop. So, yesterday afternoon I was inspecting my Hoyas and trying to know which one is possibly available for selling. And as I was inspecting my Hoyas, I found this one because these used to have multiple roots. These roots were not are not aerial roots. This Hoya was used to lean just on the bamboo, but that bamboo has fallen down, so I need to remove this Hoya. So as I was inspecting it, I saw this one, and as you can see here, this Hoya here have go through these holes, and there are actually roots inside. And also this stem here, this one here is not a stem, it is a root. So it goes through here, and there's a roots here. So as you can see, this Hoya is perfectly healthy. It has a good, very firm leaves, and it grows well. But I'm going to show you this part here. This one. Okay. I'm going to show you a close-up of that. Okay, yeah, this is the roots that I was showing earlier, and this is the part here that was shown earlier. So I'm going to show you the advantage of having those multiple base roots. It was not actually intended, these roots here, this is secondary roots here, were not intended to grow there. I just place it here because this Hoya is too long, but they had grown roots. So I'm going to show you the advantage of having multiple base roots. Watch carefully here. See? So actually this is the original roots. You can see how big this one, and it is no longer functioning as a root. It has somehow experienced a root rot, but I had not noticed it because this Hoya is growing very healthy. That is why I have not noticed that there is a problem here. I just noticed this problem yesterday. So this is just I kept on repeating on my videos that it is important to roll back a stem back to its spot because it will protect your Hoya. I hope this one is already a very good example for that. So what I will do with this Hoya is that I'm going to determine which one here can be cut. So I think I'm going to cut from here. This is about 3 feet long, plus this one, so this is already more than a meter long. And I'm going to grow roots maybe somewhere from here, and that will become one cut. And I'm going to make the roots established on that cut, and then I'm going to sell it. And also I'm going also to make about maybe one cut here, and this one also will become another cut. So it will give me 3 Hoyas for selling. But before I'm going to sell that, I need to make the roots established. I'm going to place that in a coconut husk. It will make to be mounted on a coconut husk before I'm going to sell it. So that is my plan here for this Hoya. It may take me about maybe 1 to 2 months before I can make and establish roots here. So that's it. I hope I gave you enough knowledge on this particular Hoya. So thank you for watching.